Hey everybody, I have another card for you today using my SSS Stamp March Card Kit, and this is the Lucky Rainbow Card Kit. I'm using the pink scalloped designer paper that came in the kit, and this is by Lawn Fawn, and I'm going to mat this right on a piece of the doll pink cardstock by Simon that also came in the kit. And I've already pre-cut all my little pieces for this card. I'm also using a large round die, and this is a stitch die, and I'm going to adhere that right to the center of my card. And then I have another small strip of the doll pink and the green scallop card stock that came in the kit, and I'm just going to adhere this right across the bottom of that circle. And I'm just building up the layers for this card design. I took a small white tag from my stash, and I'm going to use that for the focal point of this card. I am taking the small sentiment stamp that says Happy St. Patrick's Day. I am taking that from the Woolly Lucky stamp set that came in the kit, and I am just going to mount that on my acrylic block. And then I'm going to use my VersaFine Onyx Black ink, and I'm going to ink that stamp up and go ahead and stamp it right down on my tag. And I've been loving this ink. I just recently started using this ink, and I've been loving it. It's been giving me really crisp, dark stamped images. So I really have been enjoying using this ink. So next I'm going to use some foam adhesive squares, and I'm just going to pop this little tag up right in the center of my card, right in the middle of that circle die. So I'm just pulling all the adhesive backs off, and then I'm just going to turn that over and adhere it right down to the center of my card. I've also pre-cut out a small little flag from a piece of the leftover rainbow scallop paper that was in the kit, and I'm just going to adhere that to the top corner of that tag just to add a little bit more embellishment. Next, I'm going to that Doodlebug sticker sheet, and these are the cardstock stickers that came in the kit, and these are the Lots of Luck icon cardstock stickers. And I told y'all that I was challenging myself to use these stickers because I hardly ever use stickers on my card projects, but I found this really cute, and it came out really good. So I'm just adhering that little guy down with his little fiddle, and then the pot of gold on the side of him. And then I'm gonna take one of the gold coins and a couple of the flowers, and also add those to the card front. And I'm going to add that little gold coin right over the edge of that flag. And then I decided I wanted to add a little bit more dimension there, so I added some foam adhesive to the back, and then I just overlaid another one of them little gold coins right on top of the first one. So next I'm adding some of the Buttons Galore and More Lucky Charms embellishments, and I'm just going to add a couple of these with my liquid adhesive here to that top corner of my card. And then I also decided to use my Spectrum Noir Sparkle pen to add just a little bit of sparkle to the card front. I'm getting tongue-tied. So this is pretty much the card for today. I'm just going to adhere that panel onto a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch top folding card. And that is the card. I'm also going to show you guys the card sketch that I used to create this card, and it is MFT card sketch number 194. Goodness, I can't speak today. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It was so easy, and this was just such a fun little project to make. And using those card sketches really take the guesswork out of card making. It makes it super fast and just really easy. And stress-free. So that is it. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. If you're not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.